Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming this look. I created this look and here is a close-up. So if you guys are interested in getting this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm a model. I post a bunch of fashion outfits and a lot of makeup looks, so I will keep you guys updated over there. Thank you for tuning in. Here's the tutorial. I'm going to start off by using the Fenty Beauty Concealer. We're going to apply the concealer all over our lid. I'm going to use a wet beauty blender. I'm going to blend that out. We're going to be using this concealer as a eyelid primer. Now I'm going to be taking the Kylie Jenner Sorta Sweet Kind palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Cookie Dough. I'm going to apply this cookie dough all over my lid, on the crease, and also above the crease. This is going to smoothen out the concealer and give us a good base to start with. Now I'm going to take Spice Plum with a flat brush. I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye in the V. And I'm going to apply one more time in that V and bring it into the crease a little bit. So I'm trying to draw a wing shape with the eyeshadow that's already on my eye. Just blending it out and bringing it into the crease. Now we're going to use a fluffy flat brush like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to try to make that smoky. Now I'm going to take Cocoa brown color, brown and purple, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to take that same fluffy brush I was using to blend out, and I'm going to apply the cocoa right in the middle of my lid. Make sure you're blending it out with Spice Plum. Now I'm going to take some buttermilk with a small fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to apply that under my eye. Go in the corner and try to blend it in with the sugar plum, was it? Spice Plum. Now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil. This is by Beauty Evolved. I'm going to try to draw a cat eye with this black eyeliner pencil. Let's see how it goes. I'm also going to put some eyeliner on my top waterline. Now I'm going to take a flat pointy brush like this, and I'm going to try to make that wing. I'm just blending my eyeliner out to make it look smoky. Now we're going to take a flat fluffy brush like this, and we're going to take Cocoa again, or Coca, whatever it is, and I'm going to apply that on my lid and blend that eyeliner out. I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to wipe away all the extra stuff I don't want. Now I'm going to take a light brown eyeliner. This is by Diane. You get like all these colorful eyeliners from Amazon for like, I think it was $16. I don't know. It was really inexpensive though. Totally worth it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an eyeliner. A very, very thin eyeliner on top of my lid. I'm going to go back in with Coca, which is this one. Apply this above my crease because I feel like I don't have enough. Now I'm gonna make that eyeliner thicker and bring it into my eye and take it all the way to my outer corner. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that flat brush and blend that eyeliner out. Okay, now I'm going to take some liquid eyeliner. I will be using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm going to draw above the brown eyeliner. Like that. And now I will just be adding some lashes to this look. I'm also going to do my eyebrow and full face of makeup off camera because I've done it so many times in my other videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing my face prep, like the primer, foundation, and concealer, and also the contour, then they're all in my other makeup videos. And I've also done my eyebrows in them, so thank you. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my face prep off camera and I added some jewelry, but I wanted to do my lipstick and like highlighter and blush on camera. So for my lipstick, I will be using the Urban Decay Back Talk lipstick. It's like a very cute pink. Alright, now for my blush. I've been using this blush for like almost all my videos, but it's a beautiful blush. It's actually a blush and brighten, and it's by Laura Geller. It's this very highlighted pink. I'm gonna apply that on my cheeks. Now for my highlighter, I'll be using the Afterglow Urban Decay palette. And I'm going to be using this pink highlighter. It's called Wicked. I'm going to apply that on my cheekbone. And I'm going to apply that down my nose. Also at the tip of it. Then above my lips. And under my eyebrows. And a little bit on my forehead. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's very cute, and I could wear this for like a night out, to a party, or anything like that. I honestly really dig it. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this look. Leave some comments down below and stay tuned for more videos. I'm doing a giveaway soon, and I'll be giving away the James Charles palette and also the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. And I'm still trying to add more stuff, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much guys for tuning in. See ya!